I've never done this together at the same time, but we're gonna try. Boom, boom, don't get the feet. Watch, as I'm mopping, it also is cleaning that up. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rox by Rox Talk Show. And although we're in my Ninja kitchen today, we're focusing on Shark. It's a new Shark AquaReach. And I'm so excited to finally get to show it to you because it's something that I've gotten the pleasure of playing with when I was at Shark Ninja for the summit. And then also I've been playing with this one quite a bit, but there's two of them. So we're gonna talk about the difference between the two Shark AquaReaches. One of them is gonna be the AquaReach. The other one is gonna be the Pro. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm always bringing you really great things so you can see them, see if you want them. I try them so you can buy them. How about that? Or not buy them, it's up to you. Okay, so when it comes to AquaReach, the whole point of it is it's going to clean your hard floors. And I do mean all kinds of hard sealed floors, but the way it's going to clean it is really interesting because it's going to suck up and suction the things you need. In addition to that, though, it is a mop. Now, what's also cool about this, whether you go with the regular or you go with the actual Pro, is that it has the ability to come apart with just a click of one button. So now you've got it and you can reach different areas. Don't worry, it does come with an actual gadget. They'll both come with this scrubber. So you can do exactly that and clean up with that way. And the nice thing is all of the aqua solution will come out of it. It does use the Shark Hydro solution with some water, and that's kind of going to be your go-to. Now, in addition to being able to reach high as you can with these, you slide that back in there. Of course, you're going to be using it as a mop, but you also have the ability to just get to the countertop. So I can take this, press both of them, and go countertop. And again, with the tool, I can pop the tool on there and now I can clean away. So this is great, for example, if you've got ranges or even if you're using a grill to clean that up. You've got the scrub, you've got the ability to do that. Okay, now you're probably looking at those colors going, those are not the same colors, Rox. No, they're not. They did distinctly. Now, one of the things I love that they did, typically, if you know Shark, if you know Ninja, they'll bring out the AquaReach and you're like, oh my gosh, I love it. You get the AquaReach. And then soon after, sometimes a month, sometimes 6 months, sometimes a year. Let me know if this has ever happened to you. They'll bring out the premium or the Pro and you're like, wait, I want that one. Then of course you're selling the other one on to someone else or you're passing it down. Now, although your friends, your family love getting all of your Shark and Ninja passed down, what they did with your AquaReach is they actually said, no, we're going to release them both at the same time. So what are the differences? Let's talk about this. Your AquaReach does have a runtime of 40 minutes, whereas your AquaReach Pro has a runtime of 50 minutes. Okay, that's a big difference. Second thing is your AquaReach Pro does come with a mop attachment too. So now when you're using this, you can just pop this on and now you've got a mop situation. Now, the mop is going to be good for getting like baseboards and things on the sides. So that's going to come in handy. And so you've got the mop. There is no mop with the AquaReach version on its own. Okay, so just know that. Another difference is going to be the actual base. You'll notice that one looks taller than the other. They're the same height when I put them right here. Okay, they're the same. But when I put them on their base, no trouble, things change. Because your base, which is also where you're going to plug them into to recharge, this base actually is a sanitizing base. So the actual roll will be cleaned and sanitized inside of it. That's why it's taller, it's higher, and it's got a lot more going on in it. One of the things I love about them too is they have this little handle. It comes in handy because if I'm moving around, doing all of this action, and I need to walk around with it, I can walk around with it no problem. And I'm not sitting here going, I can't lift it. There's an actual handle. I can get into and clean different things with that as well too, which is great. Now remember, you're going to be able to do basically your dry version of this, or you can add the mop if you need a mop, but it does both. The fact that it's cordless, goes up high, goes down low is awesome. So let's get a little cleaning on, shall we? Now listen, I'm not one of those channels that's going to sit here and clean God, country, and everyone for you to show you it's going to work, because ain't nobody got time for that, but I'm impressed for those who do. But just remember, your runtime on the Pro is going to be 50 minutes as opposed to 40 minutes. But I will show you. So we're going to turn these on. When you turn it on, you're just going to press that power button and it will turn on for you. Oh, important thing you need to know. Down here's your lever. When you're using it, when you're using the actual wand, you'll push the lever down. When you're using it as an actual vacuum or mop, you're going to push the lever up just like that. Just a little tidbit. Okay. So I'll turn them on. They're both on and they're literally telling me lever, lever. So you can see they're speaking to me. This is going to be your water button right here. And then over here, if you want to do a dry mode boost, this is your boost button for dry mode. This is your water or dry mode toggle. So I've got it dry now. If I want water, I'll turn the water on. Okay. And then on the side right here, that is your self-clean indicator. So it's going to let you know when you're self-clean. All right, so I've got levers up. I've never done this together at the same time, but we're going to try. Boom, boom. Don't get the feet. And let's clean away. So they're always, because I've used them before, they're going to have a little bit of wet. I want to show you what, so like if you can see, I've got a little stain right there. What I like to do is I like to go and sit on it if it's a big one. Oh, well, it's gone. Here's one right here. I intentionally did not have the floor clean for a while. Now I'm going to go over it once and see how it is. It needs a little more, so I'll just kind of sit on it for a hot minute. And then clean it that way. So when I sit on it, the actual brush is wiping it and cleaning it. So I'll do that action. Now listen, I don't know if you saw that, but there was like dust and debris right here. Watch, as I'm mopping, it also is cleaning that up. So you'll clean. They do feel the same, which I like. Color might be a reason you decide which one you want to get as well too. Notice they both have that blue light. That is the light of truth. Right, just when you think things are clean, you realize they actually aren't, because that light tells no lies. It really doesn't. Anything you need to go over a little bit longer, you'll just go over it. Now I actually, hold on. I have these in dry mode right now. So that was what was happening in dry mode. Dang. See if it'll pick that up. And it did, it picked up that plastic, shut the door. Blood. Now I see a little blue right here, a little dirt. So we get that right there. I'll go over it and just let it sit for a moment. Look at that, yeah. There's one right here. Done. All right, so I thought what we do is we're gonna clean up my stove just a tad, because you know, a stove can always have a little good clean here. What I'm gonna do first, remember, we've got to take the lever and push the lever down so it knows we're going to be in wand mode. I'll turn the power on right here. Remember that you can use this as a vacuum or for suction. So you might be using this and go, okay, wait, I wanna use it just to vacuum up some areas, or you can use the wet modes. I'm gonna use this wand. So I'm gonna turn it, I pulled up the lever, I'm gonna press the power on. So we'll start here. I've got them both going. I can lift this to bring it closer. Okay, so what I'm gonna start, if you wanna get the liquid out, suction starts immediately. So I've got suction going on there. If you wanna get the liquid out, oh yeah, start spraying. I see the spray coming here. So I can start spraying and scrubbing. We've got a runaway hit on one side as we're waiting for the spray to come out on the other. So you can scrub away. Now having two is probably really the way to go. And you can clean these areas. It also means you can get under here or right here, for example. Look at that suction. And I can spray and clean right there. It's super convenient. So they have this in common, but the thing to remember is that the buck stops here with this one. This also works well on toilets, for example, too. And with the Pro, I can actually take it, either put it on here, or what I think would be better is if you're doing any baseboards, any side areas, let's come over here. Something I couldn't necessarily do without the Pro. But if you notice with here, I've got like Something got there. I'm gonna go ahead and press this blue button so I can get the full wand. So I have two choices. I can do something like that to clean it off, or if I wanted to, I could use something like this to clean off the sides. Either way, giving myself a nice, clean sideboard or baseboard. So there are times where that extra mop attachment's gonna come in handy where you're like, oh wait, I need that mop. Maybe by the toilets, you might wanna use that instead as well too. All in all, the AquaReach, whether you go with the base model, I hate to call it a base model because it's a great model, but the base model or you go with the Pro is really up to you and your needs and how you wanna use it. Also maybe to the color. I will tell you personally, because right now these are the two colors they come in. I am partial to rose gold and all that jazz. So this, I'm like, sign me up for that. But it's really whichever one is best for you. One of the differences between these two is that the Pro actually has a self-cleaning kind of situation. First of all, this is how you lift it up. This is what you're going to do to refill the solution. This is like where the clean stuff is. Dirty water goes there, and you can remove it every time, or you can do wait till the max fill line. It will yell at you. It's yelled at me before. Okay, it says eject right here. Let me just try. Oops. All right, so this is where we lift up. You can see got stuff going on there. I'm gonna lift, take this. Now they say you can always take this and it doesn't hurt to wash the roll, even though you can have self-cleaning. So I'm gonna take it, just wash it down. I don't know how you're getting just that, not everything else, but power to you, not to me. And just rinse that roll. Okay. So when you're putting it back, you're just gonna slide it back into here. Now, something I want to try and haven't tried yet is it has a self-cleaning base, and that is part of the reason that switching or upgrading to the Pro may be exactly. Okay, with that going. Put this on here. Okay, I'm going to put it on here. Self-cleaning that it is. Remember, with the regular, it's just a charging base. This is a self-cleaning base. I don't know. We're going to try it. I've never done it, but I'm excited to see how it's going to work. Okay, I've got it on there. It's on the base, and I'm going to press the self-cleaning cycle. Cool, yes, and it's blinking. Okay, so it's going to take oh! Stop! And it's using what's in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's freaking cool. That is worth the buy. It's gonna go for 3 minutes cleaning it. Oh my gosh. Is that not so cool? And I can see like it's getting all the gunk. All right. It's still blinking. The fact that it just cleaned my roll, it's worth it. Now, one thing I will say is that both models have the button. It's just you can't self-clean unless you have the base. So if you say, I need the blue, but I need the blue, I don't want this color, I guess you could get that color, and then you can get the pieces to upgrade. So you could do that. You've got options. But this is, oh my gosh, so awesome. I'm so excited. Okay, it's still blinking, which means I think it's done. Self-clean activated, that's simple and easy. And then you could I could smell it smelling good. Like it would just make things smell better, which is a good sign. And then of course, you'll just get rid of that. I do want to show you just a little bit we've done. Look at the debris in the dirty water. That's pretty amazing. Like that it's gotten all that out of there. And then this one, it was lower, but it cleaned the roll out for me. So you got that action. Amazing. So good. Every time I use this thing, I do fall in love with it more and more. And it did help me through some really poopy times, literally, with my dogs. So I am a fan. I'd love to know if you have any questions in the chat, anything you want me to try out or check out. I'm happy to do that. And also I made it easy for you. I went ahead and linked them both on YouTube, or of course, you can go ahead and check out the Amazon links, the TikTok links, or the direct Shark Ninja link to get yours. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for coming along with me, and I can't wait to show you some more exciting things. I'll be checking those comments. Try and be nice.